This video will show you how to properly install the TRICO rear wiper blade onto a RocLock2 arm. Test to see if the wiper arm will pull far enough away from the windshield to allow the old blade to be rotated upward until it releases off of the wiper arm. If not, remove the cover at the bottom of the wiper arm by spreading both sides of the plastic with your index fingers. While you are spreading the sides of the cover, lift the cover up with your other fingers. Pull the wiper arm upright until it is vertical to the windshield. Rotate the lower end of the blade upward until it releases off of the wiper arm. Before installation, remove the plastic protector from the blade rubber. Locate adapter A. Match the arrow on the adapter with the arrow on the blade, and lower the adapter into the cavity in the top of the blade. Push the adapter forward until it locks in place. Raise the wiper arm. The blade must be rotated 90 degrees to the arm end for the cross pin in the center of the blade to easily slide into the groove in the arm. Rotate the lower half of the blade toward the wiper arm to lock it in place. Lower the wiper arm onto the windshield. Reinstall the cover at the bottom of the wiper arm. Before use, be sure the wiper blade is locked onto the wiper arm.